Ever have that one person who can drain your mood in 5 minutes flat? Yeah, me too. Today I'm giving you a quick, battle-tested playbook to protect your energy, without becoming a jerk. Here's the hook. You don't have to fix their vibe to protect yours. Let's set the scene. Negative people aren't always villains. Sometimes they're stressed, stuck, or scared, and they leak it. But if you soak it up, your day goes down with them. So, here's how I keep my energy tank full. Tip 1. Set boundaries. Decide how much time, decide what topics, decide when you're available. I've got 10 minutes, then I need to jump. That's a boundary. Clear, kind, firm. Tip 2. Practice empathy without absorbing it. I hear you. That sounds rough. Validate. Don't volunteer as their emotional dumpster. Tip 3. Stay positive, on purpose. Your brain follows your focus. Name 3 good things in your day before you reply. You're priming your tone. Tip 4. Use positive language. Swap. This always sucks. With, here's what I can do next. Negativity loves agreement. Don't feed it. Tip 5. Self-care is not a luxury, it's armor. Sleep, water, movement, sunlight. Schedule recharge like it's a meeting with your boss, because your energy is the boss. Tip 6. Don't take it personally. Their storm is about their sky, not your umbrella. Detaching is not dismissing, it's self-respect. Tip 7. The gray rock technique. Be neutral. Brief. Boring. Got it. Not sure. Okay. No fuel, no fire. Tip 8. Seek support. Curate your circle. Spend more time with people who make you laugh. Spend more time with people who build. Spend more time with people who try. Energy is contagious. Choose your contagion. Tip 9. Practice active listening. Sometimes people just need to land the plane. Look them in the eye, nod, reflect back a sentence, then steer. What's one small step you can take? Tip 10. Let go. If it's constantly toxic, distance isn't drama, it's health. Mute, unfollow, decline. Your peace is permission you give yourself. Quick integrations. Before the convo, breathe in 4, hold 4, out 6. During, feet on the floor. Relax your jaw. Lower your shoulders. Remember, you're not responsible for fixing someone's mood. You are responsible for managing your own. Protect your energy, and you protect your day. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more.